Hey, so now we hover. There we go. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is day 46 of my coding journey. So yeah, it's 8:30 in the morning. I got an hour to spare before I have to leave. So I just figured, I just come up here and work on my portfolio project a little bit and just cut on the camera to see what needs to be done, because still a lot that I have to do. So I'm kind of zoomed in. I hope you guys can see. Try to Because I noticed my last videos, it's kind of hard to see the site when it's zoomed out, so I kind of zoomed the window in a little bit, so hopefully you guys can see it a little better. So yeah, let's just see what needs to be done. So yesterday I talked about changing this entire page because I wanted the sidebar. I figured I'm not going to do that because I don't want to go too overboard, with this project. It's just going to, because like I said, I'm still learning a lot of concepts, so I don't want to take up too much time trying to do stuff that really don't need to be done on it. So I'm just gonna add some cars at the bottom of here and fix it up better. So that's done. Speaking of cars, that's probably what I need to do actually. So still gotta fix these buttons, the hover animation for these, because I don't like those. Also gotta add some stuff on these pages as well. So yeah, speaking of cards, I might actually that's probably what I'm gonna do, is because I want to scrap this card I did here because I don't like it. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. So there's a site that I like, this one. So I'll probably try to recreate the cards that they have because I really like them. Let's see. Where is it? Yeah, these type of cards. Hold on. It used to be destinations. Let's go to Cancun. So yeah, something like this. Perfect. So yeah, I want cars like this. When you hover over them, they do an animation. So I'm about to try to recreate this. I don't know if it's going to turn out this good. It might turn out better. But yeah, let's just see what I can do. So let's go to my so many folders. So many folders. No, not that. Featured destination. So this is the car section that's going to have the featured destination. And man, I probably have to zoom this out a little bit. Hold on. Look at that. Let me at least change the font down a little bit to make sure you guys can see. So let's go services, preference. All right. So let's do 25. Maybe that'll make it a little bit better for me. All right, yeah, I think that's perfect. All right, let me make sure you guys can see it. All right, perfect. Perfecto. All right. Oh, no one shut it. Oh, I don't want to exit. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna scrap this whole entire card I did. So let's go to feature destination CSS, select all, and delete. Cause I am starting over. So that should go bye-bye. If it loads. All right, so now we just got a large image and some stuff at the bottom of it. All right, so this is what I want. So this will take, let's try to do this. Let's try to do this. All right, so this is just a practice card. I'm planning on adding some data and having use the map method or the filter method to generate the cards. So, and use props as well. So I'm just doing one card for reference to see how it looks, and then gonna do all of that after. So we got our card image. I actually might change that image because this is the image I have, which is kind of longer, and these images look they don't look really long. So let's go to unsplash, and we're gonna change that test image. Let's just look up Cancun, I guess. This be anyone because these are just, it's just a test. I want to do landscape. Let's do this one. This looks nice. Probably gonna do medium or small. Probably should do small, huh? Let's do small. Drag it to desktop. And I'm gonna have to close out of this right quick. Hopefully it doesn't mess anything up. Drag it into there. Alright, perfect. That. Alright, so we got our image. So that's the image I want. So let's go ahead and go back to our featured destinations. Alright, so we got our car div. This is taking up the this is what all our stuff is nested in. So car, so that's perfectly fine. I probably should have kept that in features. Can I undo this? Oh no. Cause that was like perfect. I really should have kept that now. Now that I think about it. Now I gotta redo it. Alright, so we got our car image box, which is here. So let's change the image for now. Let's do car image, and probably should rename that, huh? So Joseph. Oh, I definitely should rename that. Let's rename it to test 2. Test 2. So test 2. Alright, so we got our car image. Let's refresh. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we got our car image, and so that's in its own div, so that's good. And then we got our car details. So we got our name. We got our rating. I probably should add another span under here. Add a span. And then it's gonna be like the location, kind of like this right there. So let's do Cancun, Mexico. All right, Cancun, Mexico. No space. All right, so we got our stars already. So that's in its own div. And I kind of like this thing here. Like 4 nights from 1369. So I definitely might add that. My car is going to look totally different from this. Hopefully. I don't want to copy it too much. But. Alright, so. I think I can remove all of this to car info. Don't want that. And so we got car tags, which I definitely want. So instead of these tags that they have, I'm gonna have my own tags. It's gonna look better, hopefully. Alright, so let's put that in its own div. So let's do div class name, and probably do card pricing. And I'm gonna give it a how should I do this? Probably can just do it so simple. I probably could just do just 2 spans. So I could do span and do 4 nights, and then another span and do from 1500. Switch it up a little bit. All right, so all right, so that's car pricing. All right, so I think that's all I really need. Probably could literally exit this out now. I don't want to make it too similar. Wanted to, just use it for reference, and I think I got the general idea of it. So yeah, let's go and exit that out and let's start working on this card. So first things first, go to our CSS and give the whole card a width and a height. Let's do width, probably do like what, 450 pixels. See how that looks. That's probably too big. For the height of, I don't know, this is gonna be really experimental because is it connected on my thing? Feature destinations, card. Let's give it a background color right quick. Of blue. So we see what we doing. Okay, so something's up. Or image. I probably can like display flex the whole entire box, right? Let's do display flex. And we're gonna do flex direction column. And we gotta fix that image up. Oh, let's do overflow hidden. There we go. All right. So now we can play around with this width a little bit and the height. So actually, I probably should get a whole entire section like a pattern just so I can see what I'm doing. So feature container. Let's give it a pattern. Feature dash container, and we're gonna give it a padding. We can just do anything. Let's do 5 rem, just so we can just see everything. And record check, making sure I'm recording, because I'm telling you, man, it's been multiple times I came up here, knocked out an hour video, shit wasn't recorded. That's one of them annoying. It's so annoying. Alright, so let's do a border radius of 50 pixels. Let's do like 30 pixels. And I might give it a border. Let's give it a border of 1 pixel, solid, and gray. See how that looks. Let's just keep it like that for now, just so we can see everything. This is all gonna get deleted most likely, the border radius and stuff. Actually, take the border radius down. Let's do 10 pixels. All right, and let's play with this width a little bit. So 450. I'm gonna try 350. All right, that looks good so far. I actually like that height already. Let's do like 425, maybe a little bit smaller. All right. So let's see what we can do with this height and width. We might got to make it a little bit longer. I think the width seems okay, but actually that width seems a little bit too much. Let's do 325 for the width as well. Yeah, something like that. All right, so let's go back. Let's exit out that. All right, so we got our cart image. So let's grab that. So cart image, and let's give that a width. Probably do 100%. And height. So this is where I have no idea of how to do this. So with 100%, I probably do with auto, maybe? It's taken up. Cart image. So that's the whole. So let's do cart image, I think. Or I could probably just do pound cart image and then that's the container around it. Let's do a width of 100%. There we go. And then that looks good already, actually. I don't even think it needs a height. So let's just do that for now. Yeah, it looks good. I'll probably bring it down some. Let's do a height. Oh, no. I don't know if that did anything. Yeah, that didn't do nothing. I actually like that, just like that, actually. Alright, that's actually not bad. That's perfect. Alright, so we got that. And now let's grab our, what's that, H3? So we can just grab card H3. Now card H3. And let's give it a font size of 2.5 rem. It's probably way too big. Actually, no, it's not. Let's do 2.2 rem. And let's give it actually, I don't want to give just that a margin top. Let's give the whole entire card details a margin top. Card dash details margin top of 3 rem. That is way too much. Let's do 2 rem. Let's do 1.5 rem. Fuck it, 1 rem. That's it. I think that's a little bit too much still. Let's just do 0.5 rem. A little bit at the top, I guess. And all right, so we can remove that blue now. And okay, so we got that. Let's do 2.5 rem for the text. And all right, so let's grab let's see, so we got that. I don't know what to do. Let's do 5 pixels. It's not looking as good as I thought it was gonna look. Let's go back to our reference. Alright, so Cancun. Alright. So this is what I want. Perfect. So I kind of like how they got, so their text, okay, so they got that under there. So mine is looking similar to this. Theirs a little wider as well. Mine don't look that wide, which I probably should make a little wider. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it a little wider. So let's do 375 pixels, maybe. And definitely get rid of that. I think that's what's really throwing it off, this border. Let's make it a little bit transparent so you can't see it. Actually, let's just get rid of it in general. See, but now I'm not going to be able to tell. Let's just keep it on for now. Because I'm not going to be able to tell where the stuff is going. So let's just keep it on. Undo. Oh my god. Alright, let's keep it on. Just for now. Alright, so we got Bahamas Resorts World. Alright. Let's grab the span here. So to grab that, I'm just gonna do card details and maybe card details, and we could probably do span if child 1, and let's give it a color of gray. See what that changes. Let's do like, okay, so it didn't grab the, I must be doing something. So card details, so grab this span here, but not this span. No. Let's do first child of type. No. I know there's a way to grab it. So we got card details. And then we got our H3, our span. So let's do, I swear I thought inf child should work on this, right? Inf child 2, maybe? Yeah, it's not working. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Wait, no. Wait, no. That didn't work. Yeah, this is weird. Yeah, that's weird. Alright, so let's go. So we got card details. Let's just do, maybe get rid of this and just the inf child of card details, maybe. No, that don't work. Huh. That's weird. Wonder why that's not working. It normally works for me. So all of this is child elements of card details. So span. I wonder why it's not grabbing it. I don't want to add a class just for this, but I mean, we could. Guess. Let's do class name card dash location. Yeah, I don't. That's weird. Our location, and let's give it a color of gray, and maybe a little bit lighter. All right, so I want, actually let's give it a margin bottom of 1 rem. Huh. Why is that not working? That is so weird. Alright, let's grab the card location. I mean the card rating. And then let's give that a margin top. See if it moves at all. Okay, that moves. Do 2 rem. Alright. That works. Alright, so let's grab that. The eyes. Card rating I, and let's do a font size 5 rem. Huge. There we go. That's perfect. Let's do like 2 rem. Stop playing games here. Let's do 1 rem. Nope, that's what we had. Let's do 1.5 rem. Alright, and then let's give it a color of yellow. That's way too yellowish. Let's give it a dark yellow color. I had a nice yellow on my last card. That was so perfect. I think I typed in card. I think I could just type it in. But let's just, for now, let's just give it a border. Border 1 pixel. Solid. Flat. Come back to those. Oh, I thought it was gonna go around the whole thing. It didn't. You know what? I know what I can do. Let's go to my coolers. Who said we have to follow the rules of society? Why do stars have to be yellow? Why can't stars be the colors we want? Let's try this. Perfect. That don't look that bad actually. And then let's give it a margin left of 3 pixels. No, that's too much. Do 1 pixel. Spread it out just a little bit. And yeah, that looks nice. All right. So what's next? So we got our div here. And we have we got our card tags. So I'm not worried about that. Trying to think. So should I, let's go back to our, so we got that. So I want this to go all the way to the right. I wonder how I'm gonna get that to happen, huh? Maybe a flex. Maybe flex. Let's see. We got card pricing. And I'm definitely gonna have to change. I just thought about it. Well, because this is gonna be my cards for my destination page. This is gonna be the styles for them. So I might have to like switch up the names because this says feature destination. So I might just change it to cards.css, but that's something to do off camera, like organization and stuff. All right, so I want to see if I can align self, flex in maybe. Nope, that won't work. Since it's a flex box, I can't do that. So div, so we made that the feature container to a flex box. Card pricing, maybe that is the flex in already. So let's do let's probably give it a, trying to think. Let's see if this works right quick. Let's give it a margin left. I meant margin right. Nope. Let's see if it moves first. Let's just see if it moves. Keep getting them mixed up. Margin left. Okay, so it does move. And why is just that one moving though? Card pricing. Huh. Wait, what? Oh, scared me for a second. Okay. I'm sitting here, I thought the 60% off was something else. All right. So we got our card details. Let's go back to that. And then let's give, probably should give card details a height of, let's do, probably, I don't think I should be doing this. No. I'm trying to think. Maybe I should make card details into a display flex. And flex direction column as well. And align items center. Oh, that's gonna move it. No, I don't want to do that. Actually, I do. Huh. That's not too bad when it's centered. At least when it's centered, I can probably bring down the width a little bit to 350. Height's nice already. Actually, we got of, let's give it a gap of 6 rem and see. Oh, that's way too much. Let's do 5 rem. Let's see what the f is going on here. Why is that moving? That should be stuck with that, right? So let's get this. So let's change. Let's give this his own div of. Let's give this his own div of card location. All right, making sure it's recording. Check. Always gotta check. All right, perfect. All right, car location. And so I want this to be here, like that. So those should be together. And let's take off the class name for this span. All right. Now for car location, let's do a text align center. That should center everything. And now my inf child should work on this. Car location. Actually, I don't even need the inf child. Just do span and then color gray for now. Alright, so that looks good. And let's grab our H3 and maybe make it a little bit bigger now. Let's do 2.8 rim. That looks good. Alright. Cancun. Let's give it a text transform of uppercase. This is about to fuck things up. I already know. Let's do 2.5. 2.3. Alright, perfect. Alright. Maybe change the color to our dark blue. Gotta start adding our own colors in now. What time is it? 9 o'clock. A little bit more time. Alright, so we made our color blue. Cancun, Mexico. I don't know if there's a Bahamas in Cancun, but alright. So now let's I probably should put the rating inside this box as well. So let's do that. So let's grab our car rating and put it in there. So it can go up some. And now we can make that a little bit bigger as well. Car rating. Let's do 2 rim for the height. And I want to grab the span in there. And I'm gonna do a margin. I want to give it a margin right of 3 pixels. Wait, what? Oh, margin right. I meant margin left. Dumb butt. Alright, and I want to bring the font size up a little bit. Let's do 1 rim. That's probably don't look right. Oh, that's what it is. Let's do 1.2 rim. 12 pixels. Alright. And let's give it the color of gray as well. Even though it looks like it was already gray. Alright, 5 out of 5. That don't look too bad. Now let's go back up to our car details and let's bring this down, this gap now. Maybe to like 3. Alright, so car details, I need it to have a border bottom. But if you guys follow my videos, I found a better way to do this. But let's just see how the border bottom works. Let's do 1 pixel, solid, and black. Alright, so I need this to go underneath that. Actually, this border bottom might actually work. Instead of doing the whole box shadow trick. Yeah, I could just play around with the colors a little bit. Make it like transparency. Like that. That don't look too bad. So I need this 60% to go underneath. Card details. So I'm going to take my tags and put them there. Alright. Alright, now I can probably... I want to clear up that white space a little bit. Actually, let's keep 3. So I want this to come up a little bit more. The card rating. So let's bring the margin top down to 1 rem. Like that. That's perfect. And 4 nights. Where's that at? So I probably should put this in its own div now. Oh no. Wait, what am I doing? So where's the 4? Okay, never mind. It's already in its own div. So this. So I want this to go over here. So to do that, let's do a, so we got our flex box. It's a flex column. So to move something all the way to the right, flex direction, nope, not flex direction. Is it justify self to flex in? Nope. Flex start? Because it's already centered. That would definitely be a align items thing, right? Align self. Flex in. There we go. Perfect. That's what I want. But to be honest, I think I might change it up a little bit. I don't like it all the way over there. So let's actually I might keep it because I know I want to make the card property. Let's do display flex and flex direction. I use too much flex boxes. It's crazy. Alright, so we got that. And we could just grab our span. So let's do card pricing span, and then let's give it a font size of 1.5 rem. .2 rem. All right. Huh. I wonder why this is taking up so much space. I probably should do, let's go to our card details. I probably should do, so align item center. Let's do a justify content space around. See how that looks. No, That don't work. We got our gap. I also want a gap here as well. I mean, the best way to do it probably would just probably be a margin bottom of, let's do 5 round. See how that looks. Nope. Whoa. Not there. Here. Like that. That's a little too much. Let's do 3 rim. All right, our card's a little bit too long now. Now I think about it. Actually, let's do the tags first and see how we're gonna make the tags look. So the tags. So this is how their tags look. So we got airfare, hotel included, all inclusive, adults only. So let's do the tags. So I'm gonna do hotel included, airfare, blah blah blah. What do you got? All inclusive. We can do that. All inclusive. And maybe like one more. Adults only. Ooh, I like that. And band. Adults only. Alright. So that's our tags. So now let's edit these. So card tags. Bunch of CSS. Card tags. We can do my famous thing. We can do make it into a flex box. So let's do display flex. They shouldn't have never taught me flex box, man. Like I was watching a video yesterday. I started learning grid a lot more, and I think I'm on my next project. I'm gonna try not to use Flexbox and try to use grid a lot more, because grid is CSS grid is really powerful. So I do know it. I know how to use it, but it's just Flex is just so much easier. Like, look at this. Let's give it a gap, baby, of 1 rim and just 2 lines. There we go. Perfect. All right, so, and we can also, let's do a line item center, and it's just center though. Right? Nope. Got 2 over my head. Justify content center. All right, perfect. And I wonder why it's not centering like in this part. Yeah, I wonder why it's not. Let's see. So we got our div, card details. Oh, I think I know what to do. Let's align item center on here. And now it should center. Nope. I probably should keep that though. Let's take it off of this. Alright, so let's do the tags now. See how we're gonna how they're gonna look. Alright, so pound card tags, and I want my tags to look a little bit different than theirs, so let's do span, kind of like the ones I just had on the card and let's do a background color of, do our red right here. And maybe give it a pattern of just a little bit. Let's do 0.5 rim top and bottom, and 1 rim. Not too bad actually. Actually, that's a little bit too much. Just want to be tags and not buttons. Come on now. So the 0 at the top. One limit thing. 0.5. Alright, let's try that. And border radius 10 pixels. Color white. Alright, and let's. I wonder why it's not centering right there. That's the part that's really bugging me right now. Like if I give it a margin top, it's just gonna make the card bigger, watch. Oh no. Okay. But I just want to know why it's not centering. I gotta auto center myself. That's crazy. And that don't look that bad. It's just the tag look a little weird. Let's see. Let's do a little bit bigger. Let's do 0.8 and 0.3. I like that better. Alright, so yeah, we can copy this, paste it 3 times, because I'm just gonna have 3 tags per, so it's gonna be different text per card whenever I use the map method or filter method to loop through the array of objects. So I'm gonna do 2 and 3. Alright, and maybe bring this margin top down to 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, maybe 0.6. Alright, let's see how that looks whenever I... It's not looking too bad, not looking too bad. I like it, I like it, I like it. Alright, and definitely change the color of some of these. So let's do our dark blue for this one. Add up, so do some colors, and maybe add our darker blue for this one. No, that looks ugly. That really don't look bad at all right there. I really like that. 3 shades of colors, all our colors is being used. Maybe give the text some shadow. Let's go to our shadow generator. What I like doing is starting from 0 and just giving like just a pinch. So I do 1 pixel and then do another 1 pixel, and then that's it. That's all you really need. So let's see how that looks. Let's try it on this lighter one first. You'll be able to tell the difference. Alright. It's a little bit too much. Let's maybe bring the blur radius down to 1 pixel. Let's try that. Trust me, them pixels make a difference when it comes to shadows. Makes a huge difference. Alright, I like that better, actually. So let's put that on all of them. All inclusive. And hotel. This might change because starting not to like it, but this card might get scrapped too. But I don't got that much time to keep scrapping cards, so I might keep it. So this part is perfect down here. I'm trying to think of how I can make this look better. So definitely, I like this color there on the border, so I'm gonna try to get that same color. Let's try to take this and move it up here and just get rid of bottom. You see that? That's weird. Maybe I have to give the image a border too. Copy. Where's the image? That is so weird. I wonder why that's happening. It's like it's going. Let me show. Let me zoom in. So like, look, it's like coming off. That is weird. Maybe it's because of this. That looks so weird. Why is it doing that? That looks really weird. Alright, so that's that. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this. We also gotta give it the little hover effect too. But I'm not worried about that. And I also gotta figure out why that's happening. Why is that happening? Huh. Sorry about that. Card image borders. Is it lining up? This board, okay, let's see. Okay, I'm trying to code an image text and what? Code the following image and text. I don't think that's my issue. That could be the issue. Card with image and rounded borders. Oh, okay. That's probably why. I think I have to give... Wait, what? That's what I did. That's what I did. I had overflow hidden. It's still acting weird. think because maybe the car image have to have a border radius as well. Let's see. No, I mean, it just made it look weirder. Yeah, it looks weird. Sorry, I'm getting a call. Alright, sorry about that. I got a call. So yeah, I don't really know how to fix that issue right now. So I'm just skip over that for now. Cause I got over wait a minute. No. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's just gonna be like that for now, I guess. Alright, so we gotta figure out. This car looks a little weird. Looks really weird, actually. Just look plain. I actually like the card I had better than this. Their car look kind of weird too. Let's see. I'll probably center this back. Maybe it'll make it look a little better. So where is that at? So that's pricing. So let's take this off. And I guess we could just align item center. And that gap is a little bit too much now I think about it. Fortnite. Probably. It don't look that bad. I'm overthinking it. So let's and that's what I normally do. I'll be over freaking thinking and stuff. So font size 1.2 rem. I'll probably let's keep the margin bottom and let's remove the flex box for now. And maybe make the text a little bit bigger. 1.5. 1.3 again. And all right, remove the margin bottom. And Fortnite from Fortnite. Nice from 1500. Gotta finesse this a little bit. Gotta make this look better, bro. Alright, so card pricing. Let's keep that up there for now. Let's do card dot pricing. Span inf child 2 and color, let's make it our red with a font size of 1.8 rem. A little bit bigger. 1.5 maybe. Well, just a little bit bigger. 1.6. Oh. Alright. And font weight. Bold. Even though you're not supposed to be throwing prices at customers. But I'm just trying to make this look good. 4 nights for 1,500. And now let's... So what I'm thinking about doing is adding like a paragraph in there. So right, we got our card details, card location. So I'm gonna add a a class name, card info, location info. I'm definitely gonna have to switch all this shit around, man. Location info. And I'm not too sure why my none of my what's the name work on here. My shorthands, I don't know why. I tried to fix it, but just don't work. 5 paragraphs. Oh, 1. It's 1 sentence, Brody. That's all I need. 1 sentence. Come on. That's a sentence? This is probably too much. Way too much. So like right there. Alright, let's see how this looks. Not too bad. It's looking good. Look more informational. Alright, so let's yeah, I can do something with that now. Let's let's see. So location info. Let's do it underneath this rating. Location dash info. And let's give it a margin top of 3 rem. 2 rem. It's looking good, looking good. All right, and color, let's do our dark blue. And same with span in here. Even though you can't really tell. But all right, that looked better than what I thought. So yeah, that's the card. I'm gonna add a hover effect down to it. So let's go up here to card and pound. Actually, box shadow first. We need to find a good box shadow. Cause that's probably, instead of border, I think I might just do a box shadow. Yeah, this looked better than the card I just had. It didn't really go with the site. Like this looks, it goes with it a lot more. Then it looks more like informational. Alright, so let's try to come up with a good box shadow. So same thing with box shadow generator. I like going with 0 everything first. And then just do a horizontal. Actually, no. I'm gonna do that. And then do just a blur. Let's see how that looks. Alright, it looks a little bit too much. Bring it down some. Box shadow, man, you gotta really. Same thing, pixels matter when it comes to this stuff, too. Alright, it's not looking good. There's also another site, it's called Best Box Shadows CSS. Alright, I like going here. So what I like doing is just looking for examples. So I think that's kind of like the one I had. I like one that's, you can't really notice it. This one don't look too bad. Let's try this one. See how that looks. Perfect. That looks amazing. And it got rid of the border. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, this bottom part is bugging me now. I think I might add this 4 nights inside. So this. See, but if I do that, then let's see how it looks. And maybe I'm getting messages. So I think I might do that, and then maybe make this until its own div. The pricing and the location info. Um, I don't know what to do. Let's just try it out. Let's do div class name bottom card bottom. I don't know, card bottom. Nah, that shouldn't be it. Let's do card location and pricing. I'm definitely about to change that. Just thought about it. All right, so car location and wait, we're messing up. Wait a minute. Okay, okay, that works. All right, so that goes inside its own div, and what I might do is actually the car. So I just want this to come all the way down. Let me see. Let me grab this. And I'm gonna put it so we got the span, kind of like keeping my stuff organized. I'm trying my best. Let's do it here. Oh, no, not there. It's tags. So we got our span, that. So let's do it here. So location info. Let's do it here. All right. So pricing. Let's give this a not auto. What the fuck? Let's do 5 rim and just see if it moves. Okay, so it moves. Okay. Let's do 3 rim. That looks so much better. And now I could take my car pricing. Actually, I could just do this. Let's do this flex box again, man. I'm telling you. It's just so convenient when you could just do that. Oh, so yeah, I kind of want it like that. And now I could just bring the margin up a little bit. Let's do, actually, I probably don't even need a margin bottom. Let's see how it looks without the margin bottom. I'll probably do margin bottom, 1 rim. That looks nice now. That looks perfect. The reason why I did this is because it was showing this was all at the bottom because I have that into effects box. I'm pretty sure I probably is an easier way to do this. I kind of like, I'm all over the place now. So many classes and stuff. So, and I actually have to go here in a second. But yeah, this looks nice so far. I might maybe change the color of the stars to red. Where we at? Where we at? I don't know why I keep doing that. All right, that looks so much better. Matches our style. Now we just gotta add our hover effect, and that should be pretty easy. Our animation. That's one thing that I think I'm pretty good at with CSS now. I know how to do a little bit of animations. You know what I'm saying? Let's give it a transition. I know how to do the simple ones. I don't know how to do, you know, the crazy stuff. Transition. That's all we should need. And card hover. So whenever you hover, and let's just give it a cursor pointer. Yeah, that'd be perfect. And whenever you hover over it, I want to transform, translate Y. So I wanted to go in the air, so I got to be -5 pixels. Let's see if this works. Yes, sir. Let's do 10. All right, that looks good. Definitely have to fix that up. And box shadow for it. So I want the box shadow to be at the bottom. So let's see how this one looks. A little bit darker. I don't know if this is gonna look good though. Woo! That looks really good. Yeah, I like that. And now let's just see how it looks whenever because like I said, this is just a test just to get the initial card completed. So now what I want to do is I want to copy this whole entire card thing. I think it's right there. I'm gonna copy it and I want to paste it 3 times. This is, whoa, I'm fucking up. Oh shit, I'm fucking up. Not there. I gotta do the card, which is this. Make sure I grab it all. Alright, so that copy. Then I want to paste and paste just to see how it's gonna look. And I probably want to go back to my flex box. Display flex. And hold on, let's remove this outside of the, let's just remove it for now. And let's give it a gap of 2 rem. Hey, so now we hover, there we go. And it's gonna be 3 different, I'll probably do 3 cards. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I got my card component. Now I'm about to probably make some fake data, do an array of objects. That way I don't have to, this don't have to be what 100 lines of JSX. So I'm gonna, have it mapped through the array of objects and have it use props to do it. But yeah, this is how my card is gonna look. I like this better than what it was. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This video was longer than I expected. Thank you guys if you guys watched the whole thing. I appreciate it. And yeah, peace out.